Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a good Notion template. First, clearly define the template's purpose and who will use it. This foundational step ensures your design is focused and relevant. Begin with a blank page in Notion. This helps you build from the ground up without inherited formatting or elements. Next, list all the crucial pieces of information your template must effectively capture. Think about the core data points and how they relate to one another, ensuring nothing important is missed. Once you have a clear purpose, focus on structure. Utilize Notion's headings and dividers to create a logical flow, making the template easy to navigate. For any structured data, like tasks or projects, incorporate databases. These powerful tools allow for advanced filtering, sorting, and different views, enhancing functionality significantly. Divide your template into distinct sections, perhaps one for daily tasks and another for long-term goals, to maintain clarity and organization for every user. To make your template truly stand out, focus on the user experience. Add engaging icons and cover images to give it a professional and inviting look, making it instantly recognizable. Include one or two pre-filled examples within your databases or sections. This provides clear guidance on how to input information correctly. Furthermore, leverage linked databases to connect related information across different pages, creating a cohesive and powerful system that saves users valuable time and effort. Finally, the crucial step of testing and iteration. Thoroughly test your template with several different use cases to ensure it performs as expected under various conditions. Actively seek feedback from a few potential users. Their insights are invaluable for identifying areas for improvement. Be prepared to simplify any complex workflows or instructions. The goal is to make your template intuitive and easy for anyone to use, ensuring it provides maximum value with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.